For decades, automation, robotics, and artificial intelligence were seen as separate fields. Automation meant machines following fixed instructions. Think of a bottling machine filling and capping bottles over and over, never adapting. Robotics added moving parts like robotic arms welding car doors, but still relied on rigid programming. If something changed, the robot was lost. It couldn't sense or adapt. AI, meanwhile, was software, brains without bodies, focused on reasoning, learning, and pattern recognition inside computers. These fields rarely overlapped. Automation made factories efficient, robotics brought programmable machines, and AI explored digital intelligence. Robots were about movement, AI was about thought. The idea of combining a robot's body with an AI's mind was science fiction. But as technology advanced, the boundaries began to blur. The real revolution was about to begin, merging intelligence with physical machines. Soon, the most important feature of a robot wouldn't be its strength or speed, but its ability to think and adapt. This shift would redefine what machines could do. The stage was set for a new era, one where automation, robotics, and AI would finally converge. The lines between them faded, and a technological transformation was underway. The future of machines was about to change forever. The age of intelligent robots was on the horizon. Everything changed with computer vision, AI that lets machines interpret the visual world. Suddenly, robots could see and understand their surroundings, not just follow scripts. A robot could spot a misplaced part, adjust its movements, and pick it up correctly. This ability to perceive and react made true autonomy possible. Robots could now operate in unpredictable environments, distinguishing people from objects and navigating obstacles. Years of research and massive visual datasets made this leap possible. The robot was no longer just a programmable tool, it was becoming an aware agent. Robotics shifted from mechanical engineering to applied AI. The foundation for intelligent, adaptable machines was set. The fusion of AI and robotics gave rise to physical AI, intelligence with a body. Robots became embodied agents, guided by AI that learns from data, not just code. Humanoid robots from companies like Figure and Tesla are designed to operate in human environments, learning tasks by observation or simulation. In warehouses, AI-driven robots can identify, pick, and sort items from chaotic piles, something traditional robots struggled with. The real value is now in a robot's intelligence, its ability to handle variety and unpredictability. As robots learn and improve, what was once cutting-edge AI becomes standard automation. Physical AI is the engine behind this evolution, making robots platforms for intelligence. The robot is no longer just a tool, it's a partner in the real world. Intelligence, not just mechanics, is now at the heart of robotics. Physical AI is transforming industries, jobs, and even our rules for safety and responsibility. Businesses now expect robots to be intelligent, adaptable, and able to learn on the job. Robotics teams are filled with software engineers and AI specialists, not just mechanical designers. The focus has shifted from building hardware to developing and training AI models. This brings new challenges. How do we ensure the safety of learning machines? Who's responsible if an AI robot makes a mistake? Regulators are racing to create new frameworks for autonomy and liability. Business models are changing too. Robots are offered as a service, with ongoing software updates. The entire ecosystem is being reshaped around the idea that intelligence is a robot's most valuable asset. The future of work and industry is being rewritten by physical AI. Today, the power of robotics is defined by intelligence, not just mechanics. Automation and robotics are merging into the broader field of physical AI. Modern robots are partners, equipped with senses and learning minds, able to work in dynamic, unpredictable environments. Their true strength lies in their ability to perceive, reason, and adapt. The definition of a robot is changing. It's an integrated system where AI is the captain and hardware is the vessel. As AI advances, so do robots, each field fueling the other in a cycle of rapid innovation. The future belongs to machines that can think and learn, not just move. Intelligence is now the ultimate measure of a robot's power.